Hello, this is my third time trying to make this video. I've defeated Sephiroth twice now. First time, I couldn't believe myself, and I tried to get a screenshot, and it failed. Then, I had Luke try to help me record my second fight. I lost. Third fight, I won, and we forgot to record that. This is my fourth time trying to get you proof that I've beaten him. So, I have set up a stand, and you can watch the screen. Hopefully it'll look good, because it's fuzzy. Alright, with no further ado, let's try and fight Sephiroth. Platinum match. Ow. Perfect time for my remote to malfunction. Alright, I'm gonna need to start playing defensive again. Sorry, I started that out too aggressive. When fighting Sephiroth, you must always conserve MP for healing. Crap. You are witnessing the most annoying aspect of the early game. The fact that his health bar does not move. Okay, it moved now. Now I can start tracking my progress. At present, he's in what I call Stage 1, Taunt. This is where he goes basically easy on me. Although, to anyone who fought him in a level under 80, which I'm at 83 I think, this is going to be the hardest fight ever, and the early game is where you often die. Dang it. There we go. Only strike him 3 times or else he'll teleport and strike you. Like he did there. But I dodged. Ow. Okay, first bar depleted. Now he's gonna start going. Now he should enter, and he's entering Stage 3. He has officially entered Stage 3. No! If he hits you with that, you're basically dead instantly. I do not joke when I say that. He will reduce you to 1 everything. MP will be gone. HP will be at a 1 hit. You don't get to him in time, you're dead. No matter what. Unless you can get off a lucky heal using an item. See? Perfect turn to attack him is when he does Heartless Angel. Any other time? Run! This is when he goes invincible, berserk, and you just need to dodge roll like a madman. Crap. He will be entering stage 3, which is what I call... Yeah, I guess I'm just going to call it God mode. That's basically what happens. Oh crap, I messed that up. God mode. And this is why it's called God mode. Do you see the big ball? I watched a guy do a thing about how to beat Sephiroth, and he referred to that as Goku's Spirit Bomb. Oh crap.
Hey Mark, you're cleaning up down here while you're down here, right?
Right. One moment. Sorry for the wait. I did not want to make 2 videos and forget to hit play again. Look at Sephiroth's health. Look at it. Proof. This is the 3rd time I beat him. 3rd. I'm level 48. First time I beat him, I was level 81. I beat him 3 times now. And this is one thing you have not done in Kingdom Hearts.